Oh, hi everyone. It's me again, Zach the Mad Scientist, and we're back for another Open House 2018. With me today is my newest mad assistant, Finian. We're going to take a little tour around the lab and talk about the coolest places that I like in the lab. Come along. Here we are in the solids room, where we measure total solids and percent solids. This is the sewer district, and they smell smelly. After they're weighed out, they go into the oven overnight. This is our organics room, where we extract our semi-volatile organic compounds. I like this room the most because it makes me feel like a mad scientist. This is the fish room. This is Finian's favorite room. This is the room where all the treated water that goes back into Lake Erie gets tested first to make sure these fathead minnows aren't affected. Here we are at the last stop, where all the samples get brought in daily. At the sewer district open house, you'll be able to see the vehicles, the laboratory, and of course, elephant toothpaste. You can see all of this and more at our open house, September 15th. I can't wait to see you there.